Hey, future nurse. Today we're breaking down a topic that sounds intimidating but is actually pretty simple once it clicks. Quality improvement in healthcare. Or as you'll hear it called on the floor, QI. Stick with me because this isn't just textbook fluff. This is something you'll use in clinicals, in your career, and yes, on your exams. Let's make it stick. So what is quality improvement? Quality improvement is a systematic, data-driven way to make patient care safer, better, and more reliable. In plain English, it's about spotting a problem in how care is delivered and making a smart change to fix it. Think of it like the nursing process, but for the whole system. Instead of caring for one patient, you're improving care for every patient who walks through the door. Here's the big picture goal. QI aims for three things at once: better care, healthier patients, and lower costs. Some call this the triple aim. And here are the three questions that drive almost every QI project. What are we trying to accomplish? How will we know a change is an improvement? What change can we make that will lead to improvement? Keep those three questions in your back pocket. They're the heart of QA. Now let's talk frameworks, the tools nurses actually use. The one you'll see most is the PDSA cycle. That's plan, do, study, act. Plan a small change. Do it, test it on a small scale. Study what happened. Did it work? Act, adopt it, adjust it, or abandon it. Then you repeat the cycle. It's a loop, not a straight line, just like evaluation in ADPIE. You may also hear about Lean, which trims wasted steps and saves time, and Six Sigma, which reduces errors and keeps care consistent. But for you at the bedside, PDSA is your bread and butter. Let's make this real. What does QI look like in nursing? Reducing patient falls with hourly rounding, cutting down catheter infections by following a checklist, improving hand hygiene compliance on the unit, preventing pressure injuries with a turning schedule. Notice something? Nurses are at the center of all of it. You're at the bedside, so you see the problems first, and your input drives real change. So how do you apply this with confidence? You don't need to lead a giant project to make a difference. Start small. Speak up when you notice something unsafe or inefficient. Track patterns, like how often falls happen on your shift. Join unit huddles, safety briefings, and QI committees. Use PDSA thinking in everyday practice. Try a change, watch the results, and adjust. That's it. That's quality improvement. Let's lock in the takeaways. QI is a data-driven way to make care safer and better. The triple aim is better care, better health, and lower cost. The PDSA cycle, plan, do, study, act, is your go-to tool. And remember, nurses are the driving force behind quality improvement. You've got this, future nurse. Master this now, and you'll walk into clinicals and your exams with real confidence. Stick with the winners, and we'll keep the facts simple so they stick with you. See you in the next lesson.